Hi everyone, welcome to Estrogen Express. In today's video, I'm gonna color correct my dark circles and chickenpox marks. Before applying any makeup on my face, I prep my skin with moisturizer, and for primer, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Master Prime Primer+Base. I'm gonna evenly apply all of the primer over my face. For color correcting, I'm using the color correction palette from Nykaa. If you have a skin tone somewhat like mine, orange color corrector will cancel out all the grey or brown pigments. First, I'll use the orange corrector on the problem areas and blend it using the warmth of my finger. To cancel out the orange, I'll be using the yellow shade from the same palette and blend it with the orange. I'll keep blending it until I get a peach color. Now I'll set the corrector with a translucent powder from Sugar just to make sure it doesn't mix with my foundation. Now I have a clean canvas to work on. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. Remember, blending is the key to a flawless makeup. So take all your sweet time blending. I'm gonna quickly finish the rest of my makeup. I'll be applying some bronzer and blush. I completed this look with a red lipstick. So that's it guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.